In this video, I will be showing you how you can migrate your Facebook page into another Facebook account by simply giving yourself access as an admin in your another Facebook account. Follow me as I show you. Follow me as I show you. Okay, go to settings and privacy. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. As you can see what I'm doing, scroll down, you can see page setup. You click on page setup, page access. You can see, click that page access. Okay, once you click page access, you have to, okay, let me show you again. Page setup, page access. Then what you have to do now is search for your name. Search for your name. Okay, once you search, it's going to bring you. The reason why it's not coming out is because I have already given myself access as an admin already into another Facebook account. That is why it's not showing. All right, so just try to search your name. Okay, so I am actually searching my name. Okay, I am actually searching my name from the old Facebook account, which I have my Facebook page, but I want to move my old Facebook page to my new Facebook account, the current Facebook account that I'm using. So you have to search from your old Facebook account, which you have your Facebook page, which you want to move to another Facebook account. Okay, so that is where you are going to search for your name and give yourself access. You invite. So this is Nasirawa Charcoal. As you can see, I have already sent the invitation to this Nasirawa Charcoal. So we have to look for the invitation. All right, professional dashboard. All right, as you can see, those are my posts. Okay, now let's go again. This is the new page. This is the new page in my another Facebook account. All right, so I'm trying to move. I have like 5 different Facebook accounts with different Facebook page. So I want to move all of them into one Facebook account for proper monitoring. All right, so follow me closely as I'm showing you step by step on how to migrate your Facebook page from your old Facebook account or from different Facebook account to your current Facebook account for proper monitoring. All right, so now we are searching for the review for the invitation. As you can see, the invitation is here. Once you accept, now you can switch, and if you choose not to switch, not now, no problem. Whichever you want, you can switch. So I switch now to see if I have actually be accepted as an admin. So wait, let's see. 100% accepted. So I have been given access to this Facebook page into my current Facebook account. So I will show you another one. Like I'm trying to post some video, I'm trying to post any post to see if I can actually post on that Facebook page. So let's see if I can actually post on the page, because I have given myself access as an admin. So let's see. Okay, all right, if you follow exact what I'm doing, you are going to get the same result. All right, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, share. All right, Okay, don't forget to click the bell. I'm trying to make a post inside the Facebook page which I just gave myself access to become an admin. There is two options there. While you are, well, for your own self you can give yourself full access, but if you are using another person as your admin, you don't give another person full access to your Facebook page. Now, just now posted, which means I have been granted access to the Facebook page. Now I can do and undo as an admin because I gave myself full access.